갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는
Hey
순간.
guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Radiant Diva Skincare. So if today is your first time of tuning into this channel, you are highly welcome. Please feel free to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and also support our other YouTube channel. Yes guys, so today's video I will be talking about whitening powders for black soap. Yes, so this is a very great topic. Please make sure to watch this video from starting to the ending so that you will know your mistake. You will know if you're doing the right thing or if you are not doing the right thing. So today I'll be talking about whitening powders for black soap. Yes, I have seen so many people that actually add whitening powders inside their black soap. Sometimes I would just be asking, what is the main purpose? Like, what is the main purpose of adding whitening powder inside your black soap? Like, seriously? I did not say you cannot add it anyway. You can actually add it. But what kind of whitening powders are you adding inside your black soap? And many people do not even know that black soap is actually alkaline in nature. Yes, black soap is very alkaline. So just make your black soap and try to take the pH of your black soap. And you're going to notice that your black soap, either it should be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like that. And black soap is one thing that you cannot try to bring down the pH. Because if you're trying to bring down the pH, it's like you're going to cut the ladder to cut the foamy thread. It's not going to be foamy that much. Or rather, it will not even foam anymore. Because if you add lactic acid to bring down the pH of your black soap, you're killing the foam. It's not going to foam. If you try to use citric acid to bring down the pH of your soap, it's not going to foam that much. So I do watch some videos, or rather I do see some people adding lactic acid inside their black soap. I was like, really? How did they get the soap to foam? I have done that mistake before, just once. Yes, I have done it before. I added lactic acid inside my black soap. Yes, because I wanted the benefit of that lactic acid to exfoliate the skin. Trust me, that soap did not foam. Even if you're adding too much of oil inside your black soap, you have complicated that black soap. It's not going to foam. It's not going to foam. Yes. So tell me how you can manage to bring down the pH of your black soap using lactic acid and using citric acid, because now you want to add whitening powders to it. And most people do not know that whitening powders, they are active due to their pH stability. Not just whitening powders. When it comes to skincare materials like skincare ingredients they use to make skincare products, their activities or their effectiveness is due to their pH stability. If you make a product with an ingredient that the pH is 4, and you added that product into a formulation that has to do with pH of 6, it will not work. So I see so many people adding whitening powders inside their black soap, and black soap is actually alkaline in nature. You are wasting that powders. You are wasting that powders. Those powders is as useless. Okay, I saw people adding niacinamide inside the herbal soap, black soap. The pH of niacinamide is just 6, and herbal soap is even 8, 9 in alkaline nature. And somebody will come and add kojic acid, water-soluble kojic acid inside black soap. Kojic acid is just from 3 up to 6. And somebody will add it inside black soap. After abutin, someone will add it inside black soap. What are you doing? Do research before you start making any products. People don't get it. Do research before you start making any products. Yes, you can add whitening powders inside your black soap, but you should know the type of whitening powders. We have whitening powders that their pH is actually high. in nature. Those whitening powders, you can add it inside your black soap. But if you're adding kojic acid, alpha-arbutin, niacinamide, those stuff inside your black soap, auntie, you are wasting those powders. And powders are very, very, very expensive. You can use those powders to make serums. You can use them to make cleanser. You can use them to make soap. You can use them to make shower gel. You can use them to make lotion, face cream. Yes, you can use them to make those products, not black soap, because it's not really effective. It's not working. I saw people adding salicylic acid powder inside black soap. Oh my god. Salicylic powder is actually 3.5. The pH is between 3.5 to 4. It's not even up to 5. And you are adding it inside black soap that is ranges, the pH is 8, 9, 10, like that. You are adding it onto which level? What are you waiting for? What are you looking for? Sorry. And someone is even adding vitamin C, common vitamin C. If you use vitamin C to make your face cream, you will see after 1 week it will oxidize. It will not even be stable anymore. And someone will pour vitamin C inside black soap. Are you kidding me? Are you serious? Like, are you for real? Oh my god. Vitamin C is actually from 3 to 4. The minimum is just 5 if it is even up to 5. So why adding vitamin C? You add vitamin C inside black soap. You add niacinamide inside black soap. I don't know. Some people think the more you add bobo to go inside your product, that is how you get results. The more you add inside, the more you are just complicating your stuff. The more you are complicating your products, less is better. Less work better. We have powders that are really alkaline in nature. Those powders, you can actually add it to your black soap. If you're the type that loves adding whitening powders inside your black soap, yes, you can have those whitening powders inside. We have the kojic dip. Kojic dip is very high. Yeah, the pH is high. We have the what is it called? Vitamin C ascorbic palmitate. We have different type of vitamin C. We have the L-ascorbic. The one I saw people adding is the L-ascorbic, and that one, the pH is very low. We have the other water-soluble vitamin C. We have the other oil-soluble vitamin C. Their pH is actually high in nature. You can add those powders inside your black soap if you want to add them inside your black soap. We have DMEA powder. That powder is also, the pH is also high in, how will I put it? The pH is also high. So you can also add that powder inside. Do research concerning whitening powders or brightening powders or other. Do research, know their pH range before you will know what you want to add it to. Don't just because you see people, you know, when it comes to YouTube, like everybody is making products on YouTube. Some people are just here doing rubbish. All they want is just the views. It's just the views. They will just come here, put this, put this, put this, put this. You will see one product, like one formulation, you will have about 20 ingredients inside. Like, they think maybe the more the ingredients, the more the more active that product will be. We have a lot of things you can use to boost your black soap. We have herbal powders. That is why it is called herbal soap. Herbal powders are there really for pigmentations. We have some serums. We have some beautiful serums that lighten the skin. Serums that their pH is not actually acidic. You can add it inside. Yeah. We have the liquid herbal extract. You can also add it inside your black soap. Black soap is just there to glow your skin. Black soap is just there to like take out pigmentation and all that. So I saw people with targets like, I don't know. So please, I did not say you cannot add whitening powders inside your black soap, so don't get it twisted. Before some people will come to my comment section to be like, this, you can add it, but know the pH of that powder. Know the pH of that whitening powder before you can actually add it inside your black soap. Don't add L-ascorbic, vitamin C, kojic acid, alpha-arbutin, adding it inside your black soap. Those powders, use it to make products that are concentrated that your skin is going to take easily. Soap is a wash away stuff, right? It's a wash away stuff. So please, adding whitening powders inside your black soap is good in one way and is bad in another way, because the method people are adding it, the way people are adding it, they are just adding any powders anywhere. As far they know this thing is a whitening powder, they pour it inside their black soap. They really don't know the pH level of that powder before they are adding it inside their black soap. So you can add your whitening powders if you know the pH of that powders. Actually add your whitening powders inside your black soap if the pH of that whitening powders is actually high, up to 8 and 9. No problem, you can add it, but don't be adding a whitening powder that the pH is 3, 2, 1, 4, 5. It's really not going to work. Even the one that the pH is 6 is still not going to work. So guys, I hope you take notes. I'm just dropping this video because of my viewers. I don't want you guys to do mistake. I know the way you are watching my videos, you are also watching other YouTubers. So don't let anyone fool you. Before you add your whitening powders inside your black soap, make sure to know the pH of that powder before you add it inside your black soap, because black soap is very acidic in nature. Sorry, it's very alkaline in nature. And if you're trying to bring it down because of the powders you added inside, either you're going to stop your soap from foaming. So leave your comment below if you are against this video, or if you are with this video. Leave your comment below. I want to see comments rolling. I want to see comments rolling, like seriously. Drop your comments below the comment section, and that is it. I don't want to talk too much, and see you soon in my other next video, guys. Bye.